guys, so today we're out for a ride on the battery assisted bike. I guess it's not a full e-bike. You have to pedal and it juices up. Oh, this thing's a little sketchy, It gets real sketchy here, real narrow. So if I crash, at least it's on camera. Oh, this thing fucking cruises through the trails though. Oh. Whoa! Oh shit! Oh! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Oh no! Don't accelerate! Don't accelerate to the corners! You barely have to pedal. It's battery assisted, so I don't know if you guys can see my feet right now, but you barely pedal, and then it goes right. You can hear it. I mean, it's really not bad at all. This thing's super fun. This is actually my buddy Mark's bike. Shout out to you. I know you watch the videos. He let me borrow it for a video. Yeah, she's a pretty fucking sweet unit.